Beat by its wings. Okay, I can get you. Hold still. Hold still.
Yeah, hold
just
still,
like
bee.
to let everybody know that
Stop
it's
flapping.
very important that you
Your
mark
wings.
your queen.
He
It doesn't
won't.
matter whether you pay $40 or it's a feral queen.
He's so
you need
upset.
to mark the queen
Thanks.
so that not only can you.
Okay,
That's how
so
he treats the guys.
so as you do this, you bring her up like this here, okay? And what you'll do is you'll take your your scissors, and you'll go underneath the wing. Okay, now you can see the wing, and you'll just take half of it. You don't want to take the whole thing, just take half. We're going to flip this guy over, and so we're going to take this little guy right here, and this is going to be your queen. You're going to wait till she gets flat. And you're going to pin her up like so. And you're going to try to get her in the center. Put a little glue. You're going to put a dab right there, and you're going to rub this into the hair, because all the queens have that hair that's up there. Just like that. And you're going to take the other side, and you're going to lick it.
That's a phlegm.
I must not have any. You guys are making me nervous, I guess. I don't have any saliva, I guess. And you're going to put this like this, and you're going to press this down. Just like that. And then you're going to let her dry.
How long?
10 minutes.
That's cool.
And then she is marked like